Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to our beginners video series. In this episode, we are going to see how to scan QR codes on iPhone. Similar to the Android phones, if you're coming from Android and this is your first iPhone and simply open the camera application and the process are very much similar. Bring any QR code and you will see the link or URL to open it on Safari browser, or if it is a payment related QR code, it will automatically let you to open any payment service applications or banking applications that you have installed on your iPhone. Not just for opening websites and making payments. This QR code method with the default camera application also works for connecting to any Wi-Fi, any public Wi-Fi, or if you have a friend with an Android phone and he simply shows you the QR code of their Wi-Fi network, you can straight away scan from your camera application. The Wi-Fi network on your iPhone, the password and ID, everything will be shared automatically and you will be connected to the Wi-Fi in just few seconds. And at the right side, you can see that it also gives you option based on the type of QR code that you are scanning. It will show you the list of options whether to open this in any payment or banking related application, or open the website address in Safari browser, or add it to reading list for reading it later, or you want to share this link with your friends through messages or WhatsApp or any other services. So this is how you scan QR codes on iPhone and iPad. I hope this information helped you to do the steps that you were looking for. Thank you so much for watching, and for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.